Welcome to my second video on problems based on the Bernoulli distribution. Firstly, I'll give a short recap of my first video where we discussed the PMF of a Bernoulli distribution, which is P of x equal to P to the power x, Q to the power 1 minus x. X takes the values 0, 1, 0 otherwise. We had also discussed the mean, which is E of x equal to P. The variance is V of x equal to PQ, where Q is equal to 1 minus P. The standard deviation is SD of x equal to root PQ. So keeping all these formulae in mind, let's start with the first problem. If P is equal to 0.25 for a Bernoulli distribution, find the mean and variance. So whenever we work out problems on theoretical distributions, the first step in the solution will be given. List down whatever values are known to you in the problem. So we write P equal to 0.25, then calculate Q using the formula 1 minus P, which is 1 minus 0.25, which is equal to 0.75. The mean formula is E of x equal to P, which results in 0.25. The variance is V of x equal to PQ, which is 0.25 into 0.75, which is equal to 0.1875. Now we move on to the second problem. Write down the PMF, mean and variance of a Bernoulli distribution with parameter 0.3. Also find the probability that the variate takes the value 0. So the solution will be, write given P equal to 0.3, calculate Q using the formula 1 minus P, which results in 0.7. Now the first part of the question is to find out the PMF. If a student is confident enough, if you remember the PMF, we directly substitute the values of P and Q in the PMF. But initially, most of the students find it a little difficult. So write the general format and then in that substitute the values of P and Q. So after the given step, I am writing the general format of the PMF, which is P of x equal to, open the flower bracket, P to the power x, Q to the power 1 minus x. Then write x equal to 0, 1 and Q is equal to 1 minus P. In the next line, write 0 otherwise. Now substitute the values of P and Q. And we get the PMF as P of x equal to 0.3 to the power x, 0.7 to the power 1 minus x. Then x is equal to 0, 1 and then write 0 otherwise. Now here you note that there is no need to write the value of Q, which is there in the original formula, because we already know what is the value of Q, which is 0.7. Now the next part of the question is to find out the mean and variance. So subdivision B, write the mean formula, E of x is equal to P, which is 0.3. Variance is V of x equal to PQ, which is 0.3 into 0.7, which is 0.21. Now moving on to the last part of the question, that is, we have to find the probability that the variate takes the value 0. So we'll start with the general formula. Probability of capital X equal to small x is equal to P of x. Now recollect that capital X stands for the random variable. Here it is the random variate, that is the Bernoulli variate. So capital X stands for the Bernoulli variate and small x stands for the value the random variable takes. So first write the formula. Probability of capital X equal to small x is equal to P of x. Now the question is to find the probability that the variate takes the value 0. So where you have small x, replace it by 0. So you get P of capital X equal to 0 is equal to small p of 0, which is equal to, now in the PMF wherever you have x, replace it by 0. So you get 0.3 to the power 0, 0.7 to the power 1 minus 0. So any number to the power 0 is 1. So the final answer is P of 0 is equal to 0.7. Or in other words, the probability that the variate takes the value 0 is 0.7. Now we'll discuss the third problem, which states that if x is a Bernoulli variate with p equal to 0.45, find the PMF, mean, standard deviation and probability of x equal to 1. So what's the first step? Write given p equal to 0.45, calculate q, which is 1 minus p, which results in 0.55. The first part of the question is the PMF. So write the general format, which is p of x equal to p to the power x, q to the power 1 minus x equal to 0, 1 and q is equal to 1 minus p. The next line, write 0 otherwise. Now substitute the values of p and q in the above PMF, which will result in the PMF being p of x equal to 0.45 to the power x, 0.55 to the power 1 minus x takes the values 0, 1 and then in the next line write 0 otherwise. Now the next part of the question is to find out the mean and standard deviation. So in subdivision B, we write the mean formula E of x, which is p, so its value is 0.45. The standard deviation formula is SD of x is equal to root of PQ. Now on the screen you can't see the entire root, but the square root sign will cover both P and Q. So substitute the values, you'll get root of 0.45 into 0.55 and the final answer for the standard deviation is 0.4975. Now, like I keep mentioning in the class many times, when you find out the square root, take 4 places after the decimal after rounding off. Now the last part of the question is to find the probability of x equal to 1. So start with the general probability formula. P of x equal to x is equal to probability of x. Now wherever you have small x, replace it by the value 1. So you get P of x equal to 1 is equal to P of 1. Now what should you do? In the PMF, wherever you have x, replace it by 1. So which results in 0.45 to the power 1, 0.55 to the power 1 minus 1. And any number to the power 0 is 1. So the final answer is P of 1 is equal to 0.45. We now come to the end of working out problems on the Bernoulli distribution. It's my suggestion that you practice these 3 problems a couple of times so that you become confident in this topic. Thank you.